Okay, part 2. Sorry about that. We had a little interruption in the video. I have to do something about the camera. I did buy another little camera that I was going to try to use for a mini cam on the layout around as we're going around the layout, but I hadn't figured out how to quite work it yet. I'll show it to you in one of the other videos. But as to this one right now, get a little more light on the subject. We've got it up, we got it on there, and runs perfectly. Don't see anything wrong with it. The only thing is this bulb. I don't know whether you can see it or not. It lights, but it's very dim. So what we're going to do, we're going to change that bulb out. That was probably the problem. Hold on just a minute. Let me put the camera in the stand. And so, that bulb was an old bulb too. And probably wasn't any good. But we have another bulb that we're going to put in there. I think that's a much brighter bulb. Yeah, it's not real bright, but it's brighter than the other one was. And so, this engine does not have a reverse unit. I don't think very many of these Alcos did. These were